Welcome to a state-of-the-art mustard oil factory, where high-tech machinery transforms raw mustard seeds into premium, flavorful oil.
The process starts as seeds enter the receiving area, then move
Hygiene is essential. Seeds undergo thorough cleaning to remove dirt, stones, and impurities using advanced sorters.
Seeds are heated in cookers to soften them, enhancing oil extraction while preserving natural pungency.
In the heart of the process, expeller presses crush the seeds, expelling golden mustard oil through mechanical force.
Crude mustard oil is filtered to remove solids and particles, resulting in clearer, higher quality oil.
For premium edible oil, refining steps like degumming and neutralization remove impurities without losing flavor. The bleaching is complete, and the steam flow is steady.
A successful run. I'll note the final clarity.
This batch shows the optimal color stabilization after the bleaching stage.
Excellent. I'll note that for the report. Rigorous lab tests ensure the oil meets standards for purity, acidity, and nutritional value before packaging.
The analysis is complete. Pungency and color tests passed.
Excellent. We can approve this batch for release. The quality metrics are confirmed. Batch approved.
Excellent. Route to bottling immediately.
The pristine oil is bottled in sterile conditions, with automated lines filling, capping, and labeling for market.
Bottles are packaged into cases with final checks for safety. Byproducts like seed cake are repurposed.
From factory to shelves, this process delivers healthy, versatile mustard oil worldwide. Enjoy its benefits in cooking and beyond.